Say hello to Bunny Wunny. This is Bunny Wunny, and I'm trying to insert Bunny Wunny onto my slide. And as you can see right here, he doesn't quite fit into my slide. Maybe if I cropped it a bit, like let's crop it. I don't think that fixes our problem very well. So our solution would be go into Finder on a Mac and Quick Actions, remove background, and what that effectively does is it automatically crops around Bunny Wunny and it removes the background. As you can see, it does a pretty good job of it. Now, if you're on another platform like Windows, Linux, or Chrome OS, I feel really bad if you're on Chrome OS, to be honest. Well, there's other ways. You could just use Remove the BG. A lot of you are familiar with this tool. It's a website where you can just drag in the picture. It removes the background similarly and watch. And this is in real time. It's pretty fast. Depends on your internet connection, honestly. And then you can just download it. It's free, completely free. And then, as you can see, it does a very nice job as well. But I want to point out, because this is a free service, the resolution isn't going to be the highest unless you actually pay for their premium plan. Just wanted to point that out. So let's do this again. Let's get a real world example. Let's find a man with a fake transparency on it. Ah, yes. So when you find this picture, it looks like it's already transparent. You can save the image and you can drag it into the slide, right? Wrong. Look at that. It's terrible. Okay, maybe if I cropped it, it would be better. That is not the best still. So let's go back into Finder, right-click the man.png file, and we go into Quick Actions and remove background again. Now we're going to rename it goodman.png, and as you can see, this is real transparency now. And we're going to drag him in, and as you can see, this is so much better. Again, you can do this with remove.bg on other platforms. Or you can use a tool of your choice. But honestly, remove.bg seems to work the best for me. So I'm going to put these both side by side at the same size so you can compare them both, see which one you like better. Let me know which one you guys like better in the comments. Let me full screen this. Hang on a second. Yeah. So which one do you guys like better? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video or you found it helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and I have some other tutorials you can follow and other videos you can watch, I guess, over here. And thank you for watching, and see you next time.